Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're doing front pad change on a Skoda VRS. It needs doing. It hasn't come on with the parental wear sensor, but with the inclement weather coming on, I want to make sure my brakes are fully functioning. Otherwise, if the bad weather gets in, it's a matter of trying to find when to do it rather than how to do it. These are Brembos. They retail at over £100 on GSF car parts. It was listed as £133, but with their discount code for autumn 65, got it for £46 of £6.81 with free postage. And today I'll be needing to use is cap removal tool for the nuts for the wheels, locking wheel nut, pry bar, lost for words at the moment, breaker bar, and caliper windback tool. We'll start by removing the caps off the wheels. Once the caps are off, use locking wheel nut to undo locking wheel nut with the breaker bar first, and then slacken off the other nuts. Right, it's a 17mm for my car, so we'll just break these off. He says, and 5 to go. Right, now they've been slackened off, get the jack, jack the car up. Right, so jack the car off, take the nuts off, and take the wheel off. Just press the caliper, and behind the caliper we have bolts. We'll undo those, I'll tell you the size in a minute. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but the new caliper bolts, or the slider bolts, whatever you like to call them, come two ways, either a star inside or a hex. So if you don't have a star, you can use a hex, and vice versa. And for those that are interested, it's a T45 star with a 17mm spanner on the inside to stop the slider pin from rotating. Right, now I've got the bolts out, caliper's free, we'll just lift it out and place it up here. Caliper's not off, it's now resting up there. Then you can cable tie it, bungee cord it, wherever to stop it falling. As you can see, there's still quite a considerable amount of meat left on these. A fair amount actually, however, I still like to get them changed so I know that they're nice and fresh and new. Well, as you can see, this one has the brake pad wear sensor on it, and so with a small screwdriver, lift up the plug and put it out. So, even though all the factors, you order the right parts, always double check. So once I've got this pad off, just make sure it's correct. Original, new, they don't fit. They're the wrong scent, the wrong size. As you can see, very, very small. So it's a good job these have still got the meat left on them, even though you got a crack there. I'll now have to go and get these changed for the correct size. So, thank you for watching, like, subscribe. I know that's not the intended video that I wanted to do, however, always make sure before you get too deep into your project, make sure you've got the correct size. Thank you for watching, nice job.